Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2000 BMW Z3. It's a 2.5 liter. The color is Topaz Blue Metallic with black leather interior. Has the 5-spoke sport wheels. The body's in very nice condition. Paint looks excellent. The 2000 model was upgraded. The taillight styling was updated, as well as the front bumper and headlights. So it gave it a little more modern look, and it's a sportier look. Has the white turn signals, front and back. And on the inside, they changed the gauge layout. They added DSC, that's Dynamic Stability Control. That's a great safety feature. If you start losing control of the vehicle, the computer will try to straighten it out for you. So it's a very valuable option to have. And it was standard on the 2000 and newer Z3, as well as side airbags. So it has 2 front airbags, 2 side, and then you have roll bars, factory roll bars. Power seats on both sides. This is leather interior. The leather is very nice. Has the optional wood grain and a wood grain shifter. M Sport steering wheel, and even the little chrome accents, that was an option on this vehicle. Original radio, premium sound. Z3 floor mats. Really nice color. Very peppy inline 6-cylinder, real smooth, easy to drive, 5-speed manual. This is almost like the perfect sports car. It's not too big, it's not too small. Very comfortable, very safe, and a lot of fun to drive. It's got a power top, and the top cover is installed, which comes with it. Also comes with a car cover. So very well maintained. One owner had it for almost its entire life, except for 3 years. So it's got great history. A lot of value for the dollar, and it's a classic. These vehicles, I'm sure they will hold their value over time. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you more about this vehicle.